In this video, I'm going to explain clipper circuit, type of clipper circuits, and few example with respect to each type of clipper circuits. So let's see what is clipper circuit. The circuit which are used to clip off the unwanted portion of the waveform without distorting the remaining part of the waveform is called as clipper circuit. So input waveform will be given. The portion of the waveform we need to remove without affecting the remaining part of the waveform is called a clipper circuit. Again, they are called as a limiter circuit or a slicer circuit. There are few types of clipper circuits are there. The best example for the clipper circuit is half wave rectifier. So the main important part of the clipper circuit is the diode. With respect to the orientation of the diode, how we are going to use the direction of the diode, depending on that we are going to have a different type of clipper circuit. So there are two type of clipper circuit. So one is the series clipper circuit, another one is the parallel clipper circuit. The main difference between the series and parallel clipper circuit is that in series clipper circuit we are going to connect the diode in series with the load of the circuit. So such circuit we are going to call it as a series clipper circuit. In parallel we are going to connect the diode in parallel with the load of the circuit. So again we are having two type of circuit for series as well as the parallel. So one is the series negative clipper circuit and series positive clipper circuit. The difference is that series negative clipper is nothing but in this circuit the negative portion of the waveform will be removed. In series positive clipper circuit the positive portion of the waveform will be removed. Again portion or above some point or portion of the waveform can be removed. Similarly in parallel we are having a parallel negative clipper circuit. There also we are going to remove the negative portion of the waveform. Parallel positive clipper circuit, the positive portion of the waveform will be removed. So let's see what is series clipper circuit and series negative clipper circuit, how it going to work. So this is the simple circuit I have taken to explain series negative clipper circuit. As I told you, diode is the important device in the clipper circuit. In series clipper circuit, diode will be connected in series with the load. You can see this diode is connected in series with the load resistor. So let's see how it's going to work. So I'm going to give the waveform, sinusoidal waveform to the clipper circuit. So it is having positive and negative waveform. So see, in the positive portion of the input waveform, so diode will be forward biased. So in positive half cycle diode will be forward biased and it will act as a closed switch like this. It will act as a closed switch. So due to this the current will flow like this in the circuit. See, and positive, so this positive polarity and negative polarity for positive half cycle. So this is the direction of the current flowing through. So diode will be in the on condition. So due to this the output voltage V naught is equal to Vi. Output voltage will be equal to input voltage. If you get confused, I will apply KVL for this one. See the direction of the current in the circuit. So plus Vi minus of V naught because it's positive and negative. So minus V naught is equal to 0 or V naught is equal to Vi. This is the equation for the voltage during positive half cycle. So let us consider negative half cycle. During negative half cycle, so this portion, so the polarity will be minus and plus. So once you apply negative during the negative half cycle, diode will be in the off condition. So it will act as a open switch. During negative half cycle, the diode will be in the reverse biased condition, that means it will be in the off condition, so the circuit will be in the open condition. There is no current during negative half cycle, so V naught is equal to 0 volts. V naught will be equal to 0 volt. So the waveform with respect to this circuit, see this is the input waveform, so 0, T by 2 and T. So during positive half cycle, as I told you, during positive half cycle, so V naught is equal to Vi. Whatever the waveform we are going to have during the positive half cycle, that the same thing will appear across the load resistor. During the negative half cycle, diode is in the off condition, therefore the circuit will be in the open circuit condition. So current in the circuit is 0, therefore V naught output voltage will be equal to 0. So during the negative half cycle, output voltage will be equal to 0. So this is the waveform we are going to get for this series clipper circuit. As you can see in the waveform, positive portion of the waveform is written as it is, while the negative portion of the waveform is clipped off. So this is called as series negative clipper circuit. This is the waveform with respect to input and output. So we are having transfer characteristic. Transfer characteristics is nothing but we are going to plot the output voltage with respect to the input voltage. So that is nothing but transfer characteristics of the circuit. So see here, so during the positive value of the input, so this is the positive value of the input and this portion is the negative value of the input signal. When the voltage, input voltage is having a positive value, the diode will be in the on condition. So whatever the value we are going to have for the input, the same thing we are going to get for the output voltage. So we are going to have this characteristics. This is the graph of output voltage during positive half cycle. So during the negative half cycle, output voltage is equal to 0, that is V naught is equal to 0. So this is the graph during negative half cycle, so where V naught is negative. So here the portion of the graph where diode is in the on condition, that region we are going to call it as transmitting region, and the diode where it is in the off condition we are going to call it as limiting region.